Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.